We're going to make a new page and add what's called a repeater. Now, a repeater is quite similar to a strip. It's found here under lists and grids, but it's very useful in the sense it will copy a style that you have done into various columns. So let's try to add a repeater, and we're going to add some products for the guitar page. So let me show you first of all how I'm going to set up that page and link the page. So up here on the top left, you can access your pages, and when you click here, Manage Pages, you can see the way pages are structured. Now I'm going to go to this page called Online Courses, and I quite like the style of this page. It's very clean and it looks good. So I'm actually going to make a duplicate of this page, and I click on the triple dots here and I just press Duplicate. And now I'm going to rename this page as Online Guitar Courses. And so I'm going to go into the pages SEO Google, and we're going to call it Online Guitar Courses. Okay, so I'm not going to use this WIX gallery. Instead, I'm going to add what's called a list. And I will probably take the first list over here. I'll add it onto the page. And actually, I'm going to delete the gallery at the back. And I'm actually going to put the list into a strip. So I'm going to add a strip as well. Just going to add a classic strip right over here and increase it, and I'm going to just drag this inside. We'll centralize it over there, bring it up to the top, change the strip background color. Okay, so what a repeater does is anytime you have something, you can basically duplicate that information to another repeater column. So if I delete this, for example, it's deleted all the dates that were just there, right? So delete. And then I'm going to probably delete this text as well, delete this container box. I'll leave the price there. And this Book Now button will also be there. So I'm going to change the image here by clicking on the image and then click Change Image. And so like this, I can go ahead and add all the different images. I can add some text. I can link this to the product page, and it's done very easily and very swiftly with a repeater. So highly recommend, if you have a series of products, to try using a repeater to showcase your products. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this page and add all the guitar courses that I have, and I'll be back in the next lesson to show you what I've done.